Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to lock apps on your iPhone using the Shortcuts app. This method can help prevent apps from being opened without first unlocking your device. To get started, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now, search for the lock screen action and tap on it to add it to your shortcut. After adding it, tap Done to save the shortcut. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Next, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom of the Shortcuts app. Tap New Automation, then scroll down and select App. Tap Choose and select the app that you want to lock. For example, you can choose the App Store, Photos, Messages, or any other app you want to protect. After selecting the app, tap Done, then tap Next. Now, tap on My Shortcuts and choose the lock screen shortcut that you created earlier. Tap Next and make sure the automation is configured correctly. You can also enable notifications if you want to receive an alert whenever the automation runs. Now, whenever someone tries to open the selected app, the automation will immediately lock the iPhone screen. To continue using the app, the user will need to unlock the device with Face ID, Touch ID, or the device passcode. You can repeat these steps for other apps if you want to add the same protection to multiple applications. That's it. You have successfully learned how to lock apps on your iPhone using the Shortcuts app. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.